Um, the greatest challenge or the gap that we find is some of the talent we are losing out to global organizations or global regions, and probably that is what we need to bring back from other global regions, and we need to start getting people coming from the US market or the UK market where these skills are being trained and coached. Biggest game changers would be the digital world, the digital mobile technology that we talk about. The second thing would be analytics, which most organizations are getting into the analytics space. And if you see, even Xchanging, the organization that I'm working for, we started off our analytics practice with just 2 people, but today we are around 30 people. So from that perspective, I think the analytics piece is the biggest piece that is growing in the market today, and we are developing it along with the mobile technology business. So it's a combined activity, I would say. That's a growing skill in the market right now. that's going to be very, very challenging, definitely. But yeah, see, when you say analytics, it starts from MIS to building a coding. So from that perspective, you see, everything is analytics, because end of the day, you're dealing with data and you're dealing with numbers. But what we are trying to say is simplifying it, not using too much of human intervention and coming with simplified coding, and it becomes a very enhanced. We're talking about Internet of Things, IoT. That's the talk of the world today, right? So what is IoT? It's about a mobile, a simple mobile technology, which, wherein an SMS, we used to send SMSs. Today we are on WhatsApp, we are on so many other, networking sites. That's all nothing but Internet of Things, right? So like that, people are wanting to see more and more innovative things coming out of this. If you say mobile services, yeah, now we have PinHopes, right? PinHopes is nothing but, it has an interviewing skill, which is a video interviewing, right? So which means I don't have to spend a lot of time in terms of interviewing a candidate in person. I'm sitting in Bangalore and I have to interview a candidate who's sitting in Gurgaon. How do I do it? It's just a technology. The person has to just have a laptop and get into PinHopes. And he has a login and password. He has to just log in, he'll get my details. And I can see him and view him, and he can give the interview whenever he wants. It's not that, I have to be live to take the interview. So it gets recorded and I can open up and see the candidate profile the next day. We use Dropbox for some of our hiring, which is global, which means anybody from any region can look into our Dropbox. So all our interview process and everything step by step is being captured in Dropbox.